Getting unwanted emails in your Gmail inbox. Whether it's spam, promotional messages, or emails from someone you no longer want to hear from, Gmail makes it easy to block senders and keep your inbox cleaner. In this guide, I'll show you how to block emails in Gmail in 2026. First, sign in to your Gmail account and open an email from the sender you want to block. You can do this from your inbox or any other folder where the message appears. Next, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the email message. This opens additional actions you can perform for that specific sender. From the menu, select block followed by the sender's name. Gmail will ask you to confirm your choice. Click block again, and future emails from that sender will automatically be delivered to your spam folder. If you ever want to review or remove blocked senders, open Gmail settings, select See All Settings, then go to Filters and Blocked Addresses. This page lets you manage everyone you've blocked. If blocking isn't enough, you can create Gmail filters to automatically archive, delete, label, or forward certain emails. Filters give you much more control over how your inbox is organized. If the email looks suspicious or asks for personal information, use Gmail's Report Spam or Report Phishing option. This helps improve Gmail's security and reduces unwanted messages in the future. And that's how to block emails in Gmail in 2026. Whether you're stopping spam, unwanted promotions, or messages from a specific sender, Gmail gives you several simple tools to keep your inbox organized and secure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.